Welcome to Shri Ram Medical College. Today we will explore. Become a skilled radiology technician. Enroll in Bachelor of Vocation in Radiology and Medical Imaging Technology course. Choosing to work as a radiographer in the medical field is an excellent decision. It's one of the hardest jobs out there. Radiography is a field that offers a wide variety of career paths and job prospects. This degree program is geared towards students interested in pursuing a career in the field of radiology and diagnostic imaging, and it focuses on the development of specific skills. Students in this course will learn how to make medical-grade illustrations of various human body components. Radiology and medical imaging technology at Shri Ram Medical College is an uncommon route into the healthcare field. A radiographer combines medical skill, technical equipment operation, radiation safety procedures, and interpersonal and professional elegance. Shri Ram Medical College has a faculty of experts in their fields who are current on the most cutting-edge developments in medicine and healthcare. They've worked in the field for years and bring a lot of real-world experience to the classroom. Technologists who specialize in radiology utilize X-ray machines and other imaging tools to create diagnostic images that are used by doctors and other medical professionals. Radiologic technologists often use X-ray machines, but they often have access to other imaging modalities, such as MRI and CT scans. Radiologic technologists examine patients with imaging equipment to look for disease. People who are undergoing potentially life-threatening medical operations or ailments rely on these professionals to provide steady reassurance and compassion. Constant exposure to people who are suffering, afraid, or isolated makes for a challenging workplace. Similar importance should be given to communicating in an ethical, professional, and polite manner as to the actual administration and monitoring of radiation doses during a procedure. Technicians perform a wide variety of tasks in the medical clinic, from aiding doctors during and after procedures to delivering therapeutic radiation to patients. They need to be able to fix and run machines, set up and check out patients for treatments, and aid in the interpretation of photographs. Radiology, nuclear medicine, mammography, ultrasound, computerized tomography, computed tomography, positron emission tomography and other imaging modalities all require the presence of a technologist. To get licensed as a technologist, one must first earn an associate's or bachelor's degree in radiologic technology and then pass the certification exam. Different states may have different minimum requirements. It is expected of those in this field to continue their education throughout their careers. Two of the world's most dynamic sectors are healthcare and IT. Higher education can promote the careers of radiologists, radiologic technologists, and radiologic technicians. Patients who are apprehensive or scared about imaging procedures or their existing health concerns are often the focus of a radiology technologist's work. A competent radiologic technologist will do anything they can to make their patients feel at ease during their examinations and procedures. Just in the last couple decades, medical imaging technology has made incredible leaps forward. If you work in radiology, you might regularly use state-of-the-art equipment. Additionally, you'll get a glimpse of the promising future of this technology and the amazing ways it can enhance medical treatment. Our training teaches you how to position patients for X-rays, change the machine's height and angle, and create images with the proper density, resolution, and contrast. You'll also learn how to take a patient's medical history, draw blood, and file paperwork. You also learn how to interact with patients and other medical staff in a respectful and professional manner. Students in Shri Ram Medical College's radiology course may expect a high-quality, all-encompassing education that will prepare them to become a crucial part of the healthcare team upon graduation. Bachelor of Vocation degree, B.VoC in Radiology and Medical Imaging Technology courses eligibility criteria. 12th class from any recognized board. Students, arts/commerce/science, of any age can apply. A minimum score of 50% in the 12th class. Students awaiting final examination results may also apply. Even though technicians need a greater level of education, they are compensated more than other professionals in similar fields for a variety of reasons. Technologists are in high demand across a wide variety of businesses. Technicians and other healthcare professionals must be on call or otherwise available outside of normal working hours in case of an emergency. The following are cornerstones of any curriculum for radiologic technology education: anatomical, physiological, radiological, chemical, mathematical, operative, and sterile placement and safeguarding. Moving and positioning patients for procedures demands a lot of physical effort, and radiographers often have to help those with limited mobility. Once again, the nature of the healthcare technology industry necessitates long periods of standing. Their employment is very controlled, and they are expected to provide outstanding customer service while also paying close attention to mathematical, biological, and anatomical minutiae. Radiologic technologists and radiographers are medical professionals who use imaging equipment to diagnose diseases and treat patients with radiation therapy. Medical radiographers work in a wide variety of settings, from hospitals to private practices, and in fields as diverse as obstetrics and orthopedics. They learn about anatomy, how to place a patient for an exam, how to use the equipment, proper procedures for using radiation, and how to care for patients. Because of their line of work, radiologic technologists are required to wear protective gear while on the job in order to control how much radiation they absorb. The risk of catching a patient's infectious disease necessitates following certain measures, such as wearing a mask and gloves when handling a patient. Programs leading to professional higher degrees equip students with the knowledge and abilities necessary to meet current industry standards and execute them successfully. Using clinical data, you may locate the safest and most reliable radiology centers in your area. You can work at outpatient imaging centers, chiropractic clinics, hospitals, medical offices and clinics, emergency departments, and trauma centers. Early in your career, it is beneficial to have experience in a variety of settings so that you may develop transferable abilities and determine the path you want to take as a radiologist technician. This might mean taking on locum radiographer job, which would require you to go to different clinical departments and take on different tasks. This is a great way to get your feet wet in the field, meet people in your field, and practice talking to patients and co-workers who have diverse perspectives and needs. Join Shri Ram Medical College's Bachelor of Vocation in Radiology and Medical Imaging Technology and take the first step toward a successful career in radiology technologist. We are here to assist you in launching your career as a radiology technologist. Call us at 9968193009 for more information about our program or to submit an application right away. Shri Ram Medical College, nurturing next generation of healthcare leaders, and offers all paramedical courses at competitive fee and helps in 100% placement assistance. Admission open. For more information, please visit our website shriramcollege.com and like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel Shri Ram Medical College. Good luck, goodbye.